Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to revert to the default icons theme on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to access the Galaxy theme store, and to do this we have two ways. The first is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and in the home screen editor select themes. Again, these are the same instructions you'll use when your phone is unfolded like that. Long press, home screen editor, select themes. The other way is by accessing settings. Then, in settings, scroll and select themes. Under themes, you should see these different categories offered for you. Select menu, then choose My Stuff. Under My Stuff, look for the category labeled icons. Again, you can do the same thing when your phone is folded up and you're accessing settings. Then you go to themes, menu, My Stuff. So look for the option labeled icons and tap on it. Then you should see a theme labeled default. Simply tap on this default icons theme, select apply, and wait for it to be applied onto your phone. Once it's been applied, you'll be redirected onto your home screen, and you should see the icons have gone back to the default option. Again, when your phone is unfolded, it will be the same thing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.